What if I told you that your savings could work harder for you, earning interest rates far above the national average, without the hassle of monthly fees? Sounds intriguing, right? Today, we're diving into whether CIT Bank is a good option for high-yield savings accounts. Let's uncover the details so you can decide if this is the right home for your money. What makes CIT Bank stand out? CIT Bank is an online-only bank, a subsidiary of First Citizens Bank, and it's designed to offer competitive savings options. Its standout product is the Platinum Savings Account, which boasts an impressive APY, annual percentage yield, of up to 4.30%, far higher than the current national average for savings accounts. But there's a catch. You'll need to maintain a balance of at least $5,000 to earn this top-tier rate. Balances below that threshold? They drop to a much lower APY of just 0.25%. So what does this mean for you? If you're someone who can consistently keep $5,000 or more in your account, CIT Bank offers one of the most competitive savings rates on the market. However, if your balance might dip below that, it could be worth exploring other options. The perks of CIT Bank's high-yield savings accounts. Let's break down why CIT Bank might be worth considering. High APY for larger balances. The Platinum Savings Account offers up to 4.3% APY for balances of $5,000 or more. This daily compounding interest means your money grows faster because you're earning interest on both your principal and accrued interest. No monthly maintenance fees. Unlike many traditional banks that chip away at your earnings with monthly fees, CIT Bank doesn't charge maintenance fees on its savings accounts. Low opening deposit. You only need $100 to open an account, making it accessible even if you're just starting out. Unlimited transactions. While some banks limit the number of withdrawals or transfers you can make each month, CIT Bank allows unlimited transactions without penalties. FDIC insurance. Your deposits are insured up to $250,000 per individual account or $500,000 for joint accounts, giving you peace of mind that your money is safe. But it's not all perfect. No bank is without its downsides, and CIT Bank is no exception. Here are a few potential drawbacks to consider. High balance requirement for best rates. If your balance falls below $5,000, the APY drops significantly to just 0.25%. For smaller savers, this can be a deal breaker. No physical branches. As an online-only bank, CIT Bank doesn't have physical locations. If you prefer in-person banking or need access to cash deposits, this could be inconvenient. Limited customer support hours. Unlike some competitors offering 24/7 customer service, CIT Bank has set support hours that might not work for everyone. No debit card for savings accounts. The Platinum Savings Account doesn't come with a debit card, so accessing your funds requires electronic transfers or other indirect methods. Comparing other options at CIT Bank. CIT Bank offers more than just its Platinum Savings Account. Here's how its other high-yield options stack up. Savings Connect Account. This account offers a slightly lower APY of 4%, but there's no minimum balance requirement to earn that rate, just a $100 opening deposit. Savings Builder Account, a tiered system where higher balances earn better rates, but even the highest rate here doesn't match what Platinum Savings offers. Money Market Account. With an APY of 1.55%, this account lags behind the others, but could appeal to those seeking flexibility between savings and checking features. If you're unsure about maintaining a $5,000 balance in the Platinum Savings Account, but still want competitive rates, the Savings Connect option might be a better fit. How does CIT Bank compare to competitors? CIT Bank's high-yield offerings are undeniably strong. But how do they measure up against other online banks? Many competitors offer similar APYs without requiring such high balances to unlock top-tier rates. Some online banks provide additional perks like ATM fee reimbursements or debit cards linked directly to savings accounts. On the flip side, traditional banks often have lower APYs and higher fees, making CIT Bank an appealing choice if you're comfortable with digital banking. Ultimately, whether CIT Bank is right for you depends on how much flexibility and accessibility you need alongside high interest rates. Who should consider CIT Bank? CIT Bank is ideal for savers who can maintain a balance of at least $5,000 to maximize their earnings, are comfortable managing their finances entirely online, want to avoid monthly fees, and enjoy unlimited transactions. Prioritize high interest rates over features like physical branches or debit card access. If these criteria align with your financial goals and habits, CIT Bank could be an excellent choice for growing your savings. Who might want to look elsewhere? On the other hand, you might want to explore alternatives if your balance is likely to dip below $5,000 frequently. You prefer in-person banking or need access to cash deposits. You value round-the-clock customer service availability. In these cases, other online banks or even credit unions might offer better solutions tailored to your needs. Is CIT Bank good for high-yield savings? So, is CIT Bank good for high-yield savings? The answer largely depends on your financial situation and priorities. If you're looking for one of the highest APYs available and can meet the balance requirements, it's hard to beat what CIT Bank offers with its Platinum Savings account. The lack of fees and daily compounding interest only sweeten the deal. However, if flexibility and accessibility are more important than maximizing returns, or if your balances tend to fluctuate, you may find better options elsewhere. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.